Welcome to this how-to guide. Today we're going to look at how we attach the fabric onto an embroidery hoop. So what is an embroidery hoop? Would be a piece of wood that is a circular shape and it has got two pieces. So one is a solid circle and then one has got your locking gauge on it. So what we want to do is we want to get a piece of fabric and we want to get the piece of wood that is circular and put it on top of underneath your fabric. And then I want you to get your other piece and push it on top and you'll feel it quite tight. So this is you stretching the fabric out. And then you want to level it up as best you can and then tighten it. Now tightening it can be a quite hard process. If you persevere, you will manage it. Once you've now got your fabric onto it and tightened, I then want you to turn it around and then just gently pull the fabric. You're just stretching it as much as you can onto the embroidery hoop. Then retighten it again. And once you've got that, that is your fabric attached to your embroidery hoop now.